We constantly want to connect and engage. Let the journey begin. It's not the data that is the most important thing, it's what we ask of that data.
If you don't have the end in mind, you will never reach your goal.
What we're trying to do here is scale human engagement and learning.
I really like the diversity and the expertise.
Exchange with learning experts on an international basis is really always very interesting.
And it's interesting to be thinking of not what the problems are today, but what we're going to need in the future and where things are headed.
Particularly enjoyed my time here in the experience room with the VR headset.
It has been such an inspiration even for me, who's lucky enough to have access to all sorts of insights from the global learning and development industry.
An opportunity to think innovatively about learning and development. So today there was a big focus on AI, on virtual reality. It really inspires innovative thinking.
It didn't only focus on the AI, because that's the big topic, right? But it gave us a practical insight on how we can apply certain tools to what we already do.
It was a wonderful event. I got to talk to lots of learning and development experts and hear different perspectives. Really appreciated the opportunity to attend the event and meet so many wonderful people.
There is an exchange between people from different walks of life, from different walks of educational life, different walks of professional life. It allows to shift perspectives and broaden horizons.
This process of transformation, it's exciting, but it's fragile.
Today was a great opportunity to come together, to listen to all the presentations. I found many of them quite beneficial.
It's been so many new ideas, but more than that, I think there's been action planning that's been taking place. So the connection, the engagement is exactly what I would expect from a Speexx Exchange.